McLeodganj, a place in Himachal Pradesh known for its Tibetan culture, nature treks, greenery, ancient temples and monasteries and some amazing food. अब डेस्टिनेशन चाहे जितनी ही अच्छी हो, अगर ट्रिप प्लान करे बिना चले जाओ तो जर्नी हमेशा अनप्रिडिक्टेबल होती है, और अगर दोस्तों के साथ चले जाओ तो कुछ ऐसी होती है। Finally! Hi guys, welcome to my first ever vlog on the smallest camera ever. A couple days ago, me and my friends were just sitting and complaining about how hot it has gotten in Delhi. And then we thought, why not just escape this heat and go to some place we haven't been yet? And just like that, my first ever impromptu trip started. I've always seen people going on impromptu trips in the movies and romanticizing it. I decided to take this opportunity, get out of my comfort zone and take you all along with me. So guys, I am in McLeodganj. यहाँ पे we have शिखा। ये हम just आज पहुँचे, it's our first day। अभी तक we were finding the accommodation, we did not book anything, हमने आकर सब करा। ये पूरी ट्रिप इतनी ज़्यादा impromptu है। Of course, I didn't do any research on this little town with all the little time that I had. But going there, the first thing that I noticed is that McLeodganj has a lot of Tibetan culture, which was shocking to me. Apparently, this city is also called the Little Lhasa. So as soon as we found the accommodation, the first thing that we had to do was eat because हमने सुबह से कुछ भी नहीं खाया था. So we went to the most famous and the most favorite cafe of people here, which was of course called the Tibet Kitchen. How's the food around?
Different area.
Shikha.
Only different.
Disappointed. Akshaj.
I'm happy with what I ordered.
What did you order?
Chili chicken.
So after finally filling up our stomachs, we went out to explore the streets of McLeodganj. It was so lively, and luckily today there was less crowd on the street. We went to the souvenir shop and I tried this thing for the first time. Trust me, it is the therapy I never knew I needed. We did a little local shopping and then went back to our hostel. रहने दो गाइस, मैं जानती ही नहीं उन लोगों को। शिखा और मैं ही बताते आज क्या हुआ। हमारा प्लान में बेसिकली है कि हम यहाँ पे एक त्रिउंड ट्रैक करके कुछ है, we're gonna be trying that tomorrow।
मैंने अपने पापा के लिए खरीदा है, this is
हिमाचली क्या,
तो मैं इसको पहन लेती हूँ।
अब हिमाचली डांस कर, उन्होंने करके दिखाया तुझे। क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
Something naughty।
हाँ, ऐसे कोई ऐसे शिनचान करता है ऐसे सिर्फ।
ये नेक्स्ट इज अ कॉफी मग तिब्बतन, और ये मैंने अपनी मॉम के लिए लिया है। थैंक यू गाइस।
दिस इज अ फ्रिज मैग्नेट और ये मेरे घर के फ्रिज पे जाएगा, व्हिच सेज McLeodganj। दिस वंस अक्षर।
गेट रेडी विद मी फॉर McLeodganj। शान शहंशाह।
क्या बात है। उसके बाद मैंने सबसे बेसिक चीज ली है जो कि हर इंसान जब भी वो हिल स्टेशन आता है लेता है, वो है ये वाला बैग। मुझे लग रहा है हमारी कल की हाइक में काम आएगा। दैट वाज इट। अब हम कल मिलते हैं। बहुत ज्यादा नींद आ रही है। Good morning guys, it is day 2 and also apparently our last day I guess, but we are ready for the trek and we're going to be leaving pretty soon. I'm still very sleepy if you can't already tell. Today is a very important day because finally we're going to be doing the thing that we came for, the Triund trek. So after getting ready, we packed our bags and checked out from our hostel to find a new one for today. Luckily we came across this hostel called Mitra 2.0 and they had just one room left, so we quickly checked in and then we went to the rooftop to have our breakfast there. The view was stunning. I got muesli with milk. Fort trek.
अभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि वेदर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है और धूप भी नहीं है।
थोड़ा डर है कि थक ना जाए, बाकी सब The weather is really nice. I think we will enjoy it.
I'm feeling pretty good. अभी तो मैं थकी भी नहीं.
Same. अभी तक तो it feels really good. The scenery is so pretty. Is BTS of the vlog. Guess where the camera is? Exactly. We are 1.5 hours in with our trek, but it's so beautiful here, so peaceful here, and the weather is like honestly the best weather. Guys, it's so pretty here. I'm literally in between the clouds. Let me show you. We're literally in the middle of the clouds right now. There's a cafe there. So pretty, guys.
In this house we stand for love and wonder. Place your flowers in my vase. We can gather all the magic from the garden, overflowing along the way.
We're almost 4 kilometers done and the altitude is getting me sauce food start ho gayi hai. Still have 3 more kilometers to go.
गलत गाना गा दिया.
मैं ऑलमोस्ट गिव अप करने वाली हूँ, बस ये हमारा लास्ट ब्रेक है. इसके बाद हम सीधा ऊपर मिलेंगे. त्रियुंड ट्रेक.
अच्छा हुआ तूने क्लैरिफाई कर दिया. हम ये सब पता है क्यों कर रहे हैं?
हमें पूरे ट्रेक
मैगी
एक बार भी मैगी नहीं खाई है.
हम ये सब चढ़ाई और ये कष्ट इसलिए उठा रहे ताकि हम
मैगी खा सके.
ऊपर से मैगी खा सके.
मैगी ऊपर से खाते, नीचे से कोई नहीं खाता. कैसा लग रहा है पहुंचने वाले? एकदम
क्या है, कोई व्यू ही नहीं दिख रहा, सिर्फ क्लाउड्स दिख रहे हैं. We are at the summit. The view is very unclear because I think it's clouds everywhere. Not probably a good weather to be here, but it's about the journey. 4 प्लेन मैगी और 3 चाय भी कर दो. Oh my god. I'm not even exaggerating, it is so damn good. We are heading down and I can hear thunders, which means it's gonna rain pretty quick, so we have to go fast. Oh my god, is it gonna rain? It's raining again. We are also, I think, 4 kilometers done and 2 more are still left.
It's raining a lot, guys. हम पूरे भीग चुके हैं.
So damn cold. Oh my god.
This trek has turned intense all of a sudden.
बहुत मज़ा आया। बीच में बारिश हो गई थी तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डर गई थी क्योंकि हमारे हर ट्रैक पे बारिश हो जाती है, पर अच्छा था, वर्थ इट था।
अरुण नहीं थका, अरुण फिर कर सकता है।
ओह, अरुण फिर से कर सकता है, क्या बात है।
I would recommend you to do it, but on a sunny day, so that there's a view above. Otherwise, just skip it.
Okay guys, तो हमारा ट्रैक फाइनली ओवर हो गया है। मैंने सॉक्स भी ले लिए because it's honestly so cold. My feet have given. Then we had parathas and Maggie till our cab came. After reaching hostel, we got fresh and packed our bags since we were supposed to leave early the next morning. Keyword supposed. Hi guys, it's yet another day. I don't know if you all knew the plan, but we had a train from Kathua to Delhi today at 8 a.m. We woke up on time. We woke up at 3 a.m. actually, just to see that our train has been rescheduled, and not just by a few hours but by 12 hours. We still have no plans actually about what to do. We absolutely have no place to go. We don't even have clothes to stay for one more day, so we're gonna be going out for breakfast right now and then deciding there what's gonna happen. So 4 clueless people packed everything and checked out from the hostel. Imagine you have an exam जिसके लिए आपने अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करा है, बस 2-3 टॉपिक्स छोड़ दिए। अब एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले आपको पता चला कि एग्जाम हैज बीन पोस्टपोन्ड बाय अ डे। दैट फीलिंग यू गेट कि चलो आई विल स्टडी व्हाटएवर आई मिस, वही फीलिंग से वी डिसाइडेड टू डू एवरीथिंग वी couldn't because of the time constraint. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I was very disappointed and sad, but then we decided to see the glass half full and not half empty. We had breakfast. Now we are going to ropeway. I wanted to do this but हमारे पास इतना कम टाइम था। अब आज because we have time, this ropeway takes us to Dharamshala. So yeah, that's the plan. Now at the Kangra Art Museum, which is in Dharamshala. Just walking honestly and finding places to visit. So this one seems interesting. Let's see what's inside. So the next location we wanted to go was Dharamshala Cricket Stadium, but वहाँ कल ही एक मैच हुआ था, so that's why it was closed for tourists. But then our cab driver asked us if he can take us to a location, and honestly my first instinct was no, this is so sus. But then आज already इतना कुछ गलत हो ही चुका था, इससे ज़्यादा गलत क्या ही होता. He took us to a place full of tea gardens, like 360-degree only tea gardens. It was so beautiful, definitely one of the best decisions. We were at Dharamshala Tea Factory. We also got a tour inside the factory, and an employer actually showed us how things work there. And this tour ended at a tea tasting station. We tried 8 different types of teas. कुछ के नाम तो मैंने कभी सुने भी नहीं थे, but then we got it packed for our families. And this is definitely an experience which I would always suggest you to try. After getting off from the ropeway, we were just walking on the mall road and we heard a lot of chanting near us, so we just followed the sound and we reached the Namgyal Monastery. This place is also called the Dalai Lama Temple, and as soon as I entered, the only feeling that I felt was peace and tranquility. I think we were super lucky because we saw the monks meditating and chanting live, but it definitely added to our experience in McLeod. Anyways, then we packed our bags and left for the railway station, and of course all my footage is lost. I mean, everything that could go right in this trip went wrong. From day 0, this was the most unpredictable trip I've ever been to. And I'm a girl who's afraid of unpredictability, who's afraid of something being uncertain. But this trip made me realize the strength and the beauty of the word unpredictability. Unpredictability makes ordinary things more exciting and worth the ride to the destination. It makes our life a journey full of surprises, with each day bringing something new and something something unexpected. Embracing the unpredictability is definitely better than being afraid of it.
Ryan Little.